English Medium School, and myself Ankita Joshi. The plant file lesson, we have read the lesson. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. It's a very interesting lesson. In this lesson, we have seen the different type of leaves, the shapes, colors, and the shades. Okay. Now we will do our exercise of the plant file. Take the correct options. Which game did the children play in the garden? गार्डन में चिल्ड्रन कौन से गेम खेल रहे थे? आमली पिपली, हाइड एंड सिक, कैच, डॉज बॉल. I hope you all know the answer. Hide and seek game they were playing in the garden. Where was Didi sitting in the garden? Didi garden में कहाँ बैठी थी? On a bench? No. On flowers? No. On the grass? On a tree? Where was Didi sitting in the garden? On the grass. Which of the following trees has the thickest trunk? कौन से ट्री को थिकेस्ट ट्रंक है? सबसे ज्यादा थिक ट्रंक किसको है? नीम, पीपल, अशोका, बनियन. द आंसर इज बनियन ट्री. ओके. Banyan tree has the thickest trunk. Which of the following plants is not seen in the garden? गार्डन में कौन से प्लांट्स हमको नहीं दिखे थे? रोज प्लांट्स, पेरिविंकल, वीट या मेहंदी. Which of the following plant is not seen in the garden? गार्डन में कौन से प्लांट नहीं होते हैं? वीट. वीट plant is not in the garden, not seen in the garden. Which plant is useful as a medicine? As a medicine, which plant is useful? As a medicine, which plant is useful? Basil, bougainvillea, marigold, caron. It's basil plant. Okay. Which plant is useful as a medicine? Basil. तुलसी हम लोग लेते हैं मेडिसिन की तरह. Now fill in the blanks. The impression of a thing with a dash surface is easy to obtain. Which impression of thing is easy to obtain? Rough surface. Okay. When leaves of dash are added to tea, they give a good flavor. कौन से leaves हम लोग टी में ऐड करेंगे तो उसका गुड फ्लेवर होता है? मिंट, पुदीना leaves. Plant like basil, periwinkle, and brinjal are known as bushes. Plants like basil, तुलसी, periwinkle होते हैं, brinjal, उनको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? Bushes. Plants like banyan, neem, mango, and acacia are known as trees. We know that plants like banyan tree called banyan, neem, mango, acacia. They are known as trees. उनको tree बोलेंगे. They are called known as trees. The color of dash of a plant is green. Whose color of the plant is green? Green color किसका होता है plant में? Leaves. Okay. Now next move to true false. Okay. True false over here. The children played आमली पिपली in the garden. Children लोग आमली पिपली खेल रहे थे गार्डन में? No. So false. The trunk of a rose plant is thick. Rose plant you have seen. Okay. This trunk is thick? No. So false. The impressions of a smooth and soft trunk is easy to take. अगर ट्रंक का सॉफ्ट और स्मूथ होंगे तो उसका इंप्रेशन लेना इजी होगा? नो, इट विल बी डिफिकल्ट. सो फॉल्स. द शेड, कलर एंड एज ऑफ एवरी लीफ इज डिफरेंट. आई हैव शोन द लीव्स आल्सो, सो देयर शेड, कलर एंड एजेस आर सेम, इज डिफरेंट. सेम और डिफरेंट? इट्स डिफरेंट. सो ट्रू. द लीव्स ऑफ द नीम आर बीचर टू टेस्ट. जो नीम की लीव्स होती है वो बीचर होती है टेस्ट में? ट्रू. So now answer the following questions. Which bush did Michael touch in the garden? Michael ने कौन से bush को touch किया था garden में? Michael touched the मेहंदी bush in the garden. Michael ने कौन से bush को touch किया था? मेहंदी bush. Which bush did Michael touch? मेहंदी bush. Okay. Name the parts of a plant. So name of the parts of the plant कौन से होते हैं? Root, trunk, leaves, flowers, fruits. What are roots? Roots क्या होते हैं? What do you mean by root? The part of a plant that grows underground. जो पार्ट है प्लांट्स के जो अंडरग्राउंड ग्रो होते हैं इज नोन एज इट्स रूट. सो व्हाट आर रूट्स? द पार्ट ऑफ अ प्लांट दैट ग्रोज अंडरग्राउंड इज नोन एज इट्स रूट. What is a trunk of a plant? What do we mean by trunk? The part of a plant that grows above the ground is known as its trunk. What is a bush? What do you mean by bush? The plants that are less tall. जो plants less tall है, इतने लंबे नहीं हैं and have a green soft trunks. They have green soft trunks are known as bushes. Again, what is a bush? Plants that are less tall and have a green soft trunks are known as bushes. Okay, now here our exercise is complete. So I will send you PDF of this question answer and you have to copy down in your notebook with a clean and neat handwriting. Okay, thank you.